Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ubiquiti WiFiman app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Ubiquiti WiFiman is a network analysis app built to help users scan and troubleshoot their Wi-Fi and local networks. It allows you to see detailed insights about signal strength, connected devices, internet speed, and even perform port scans. One of the standout features is the visual layout for network topology, especially useful for Ubiquiti ecosystem users, but it also works independently on other networks. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The app is sleek, fast, and well optimized. Users often praise its clean UI, quick device discovery, and the depth of information it provides. The signal strength graph and channel interference tools are great for diagnosing Wi-Fi issues or finding the best placement for your router. It's also completely free, with no ads or locked features, which sets it apart from many similar apps. That said, it's not without flaws. While the app works for most networks, advanced features like topology mapping and remote access are mostly beneficial only for Ubiquiti hardware users. Some users on non-Ubiquiti systems reported occasional connection detection issues or limited insights. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Ubiquiti WiFiman is a solid choice if you're looking for a free, fast, and visually intuitive tool to analyze your network. It's especially powerful for users in the Ubiquiti ecosystem, but even casual users can benefit from its scanning tools and diagnostics. Just be aware that some advanced features may be tied to specific hardware. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.